I never ship with them people. You're a code. He call you back.
You know, I love to see when the light bulbs go off. You know. Shipping company name familiar?
Alright, Mr. Mullings. You have my attention.
You ever heard the Eastern philosophy saying that the enemy of my enemy is my friend? I don't want you handle this. This is what I do.
Look, Mr. Mullings. I have a whole heap of enemy. So tell me, which one of them are your friend?
You know, Mr. Wallace? I think it's time you start figuring out who your real friends are. I know you're into construction, but please, for both our sakes, let me build these gallows. I think it's time for us to prepare for Carlton to take us straight to two. Yeah, Carl.
Roberto, you in place?
Yeah, I'm in place.
Alright. Try don't look too suspicious now.
Alright. By the way, what kind of injection are you give me? Because I feel like me asleep for about 2 days.
When I tell us you have the flu shot, everybody at the center get it.
Alright, cool.
Roberto, make sure you put on the pullover before you go in our community.
Alright, cool. I'll do that.
All this. I'm gonna tell you something on the iPhone.
No, you said man, location 10 now.
You sure?
See there? Look. I make you turn down.
You sure?
Yeah.
So I go on with you at Spanish Town.
Dad, I grab a girl phone and some boy move to me, dad.
Say them not say face.
No man, I need mass up, man. But boy, them nearly hold me.
Can you tell yourself make sure you know the place before you grab the phone?
I know, dog, but it's a S24 the BD, dog.
But you still not get it. And look, you nearly lose your 3 points.
Get them two there still.
Some matter something. You know nobody else want to grab phone.
No, you know.
So here I go. Now you lost Spain a little bit, because them rush off you over there, you see me?
Brother, Spain full of phone, dog. I this I'm for them.
The man them move to you, that means that I'm going to look out, so if you just move to a different area, you see me?
Alright, cool.
But we're going to need 6 more phones now by Wednesday, you know?
Rep on it.
Alright.
Which one are we that?
Yeah.
Hey, Miss Jen. What going?
Wait, Tony and Wagwan. Which breeze blow up here today?
I better blow me up here. Beg you, cool matter, please.
Alright, hold on.
Oh, you just said to them, Miss Jen? How you go church?
Yeah, you know about church. Church on a Tuesday?
What you mean? Crusade or convention?
No, sir. Our community development meeting, we go one so-called community development meeting.
So who call community meeting?
And the politician there.
So what am I promising to know?
Well, they claim so them are going to clean up the community and I ask what the community need. I give them some ideas, but you know me always start my mind. I'm not really looking for nothing from them because them just full of promises.
I love how you take care of things while King's not here.
You know, Tonya, just have to do what you have to do because you don't know our place. But just sorry George never there. They assist with certain things because never a long time Rachel come out and willing to give back to the community. And him go on to some things up at the top of the hill. I want to see if I can get him to help you out down here. So too.
That sounds good. You can do so for me. You can get the kids' parents together. More want to start about the dance program and more have a meeting with them.
Yeah man, just tell me anytime you're ready. Preferably in the afternoon because most of them in summer school now and then they stop asking about it.
Alright, as soon as me and Bubble start both of them, me call you and make you know.
Yeah man, just let me know when.
I will. Miss Jen, pass through myself. Now go up on the road.
Alright baby girl, it's alright. Just take care of yourself and be
Yes,
careful, please.
Bye. Thank
Alright.
you.